In the ever-evolving landscape of family SUVs, the 2025 Chevrolet Traverse has emerged as a standout choice, capturing the hearts of families across the nation. With its blend of spaciousness, advanced technology, and robust performance, the Traverse is redefining what it means to be a family vehicle. Chevrolet has fine-tuned the formula for what families look for in an SUV, making the 2025 Traverse an undeniable favorite among those who need a reliable, comfortable, and feature-packed ride. Before we embark on this journey through the Traverse's features, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and the latest automotive news. A bold new design, exterior overhaul. The 2025 Chevy Traverse has undergone a significant exterior makeover, presenting a bold and modern aesthetic that appeals to contemporary tastes. The front fascia features a prominent chrome grille flanked by sleek LED headlights, giving the SUV a commanding presence on the road. The C-shaped elements around the lower light units add a touch of sophistication, while the sculpted lines along the body enhance its aerodynamic profile. This new look is not only stylish but also practical, improving aerodynamics for better fuel efficiency and a smoother ride. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 Traverse is the availability of the High Country trim, which takes its design to an even more luxurious level. Spacious and luxurious interior. Step inside the 2025 Traverse, and you're greeted by an expansive cabin designed with families in mind. The 3-row seating configuration comfortably accommodates up to 8 passengers, with ample legroom and headroom across all rows. Whether you're transporting kids to school, heading on a road trip, or running errands, the Traverse ensures that everyone rides in comfort. The High Country trim offers an elevated experience with jet black upholstery featuring bronze accents, or an alternative option with sky cool gray seats, giving the cabin a refined and luxurious feel. Premium materials and soft-touch surfaces are found throughout, creating an inviting and upscale atmosphere. The spacious interior is not just about comfort, but also practicality, with an abundance of storage compartments thoughtfully placed throughout the cabin to keep everything organized. Cargo space is another area where the Traverse excels. With all seats in place, it offers a generous cargo area, and folding down the second and third rows reveals a cavernous space, perfect for family vacations, trips to the hardware store, or hauling sports equipment. The hands-free power liftgate makes loading and unloading cargo effortless, especially when your hands are full. Cutting-edge technology and connectivity. In today's connected world, the 2025 Traverse ensures that families stay linked to what matters most. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a standard 17.7-inch diagonal color touchscreen, providing intuitive access to the Chevrolet infotainment system. This system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, allowing passengers to seamlessly connect their smartphone for navigation, music, and hands-free communication. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to switch between apps, adjust settings, and personalize the experience to fit the needs of the driver and passengers. For audiophiles, the available premium sound system delivers crisp and immersive audio, enhancing the driving experience whether you're listening to music, audiobooks, or podcasts. Rear seat passengers haven't been overlooked either, as an optional rear seat entertainment system keeps children engaged during long drives, making family trips more enjoyable for everyone. Built-in Wi-Fi hotspot capability and multiple USB charging ports ensure that devices stay charged and connected no matter where the road takes you. Performance and efficiency, the heart of the Traverse. Under the hood, the 2025 Traverse is powered by a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering a robust 328 horsepower and 326 lb-ft of torque. This power plant is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. The Traverse is available in both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations, giving drivers the flexibility to choose the option that best suits their lifestyle and driving conditions. Despite its size and power, the Traverse maintains respectable fuel efficiency, with an estimated 20 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This makes it a practical choice for families who need a powerful SUV but don't want to make constant stops at the gas station. Whether navigating busy city streets or cruising on the highway, the Traverse provides a balanced blend of performance, efficiency, and comfort. Safety first, advanced driver assistance systems. Chevrolet has prioritized safety in the 2025 Traverse, equipping it with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features designed to keep families safe on the road. Standard safety technologies include automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, forward collision alert, and front pedestrian braking. These features work together to detect potential hazards and take action when necessary, providing an extra layer of security for drivers and passengers. For those seeking an even more advanced driving experience, the Traverse offers Chevrolet's Super Cruise technology. This hands-free driver assistance feature allows for hands-free driving on compatible roads, enhancing convenience on long journeys. Adaptive cruise control and rear cross-traffic alert add further reassurance, making daily commutes and family trips stress-free and secure. The 2025 Traverse is also built with a strong safety cage, ensuring durability and crash protection in the event of an accident. Family-friendly features, designed with you in mind. Understanding the diverse needs of families, Chevrolet has incorporated several thoughtful features into the 2025 Traverse to make life on the road easier. Tri-Zone automatic climate control ensures personalized comfort for all passengers, allowing different temperature settings for the driver, front passenger, and rear seats. The Smart Slide second row seat provides easy access to the third row, making it convenient for children and adults alike. The rear seat reminder alerts drivers to check the back seats before exiting the vehicle, a crucial feature for families with young children. The hands-free power liftgate allows parents to open the trunk effortlessly, perfect for those moments when you're carrying groceries, luggage, or sports equipment. The Traverse's spacious and flexible seating arrangement means families can configure the interior to suit their needs, whether it's fitting car seats, accommodating passengers, or maximizing cargo space. Conclusion: the 2025 Chevrolet Traverse embodies what modern families seek in an SUV: space, safety, technology, and style. With its bold new design, powerful yet efficient engine, advanced safety features, and family-friendly innovations, the Traverse is a clear winner for those who need a reliable and feature-packed SUV. Whether you're tackling daily commutes, weekend road trips, or outdoor adventures, the Traverse is ready to meet the demands of your lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive overview of the 2025 Chevy Traverse. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and updates on the latest automotive trends.